Hello, this is Ricardo, Ghost Pirate. I'm showing you a fishing spot on the area of Rockport and Fulton called Copano Bay, and it's where I used to wade fish in this region area. Uh, what it has is on this side. Uh, let me get it. It has a right here. There's a bridge, and then there's a pier. There's a brand new pier right here, and there's areas to stay overnight. There's a boat ramp on this corner, and then in the next video I'm gonna um, highlight this side of the water. But for now, I'm gonna just do this side for wade fishing purposes. Uh, we're gonna be talking about this area here. Let me get it focused. Okay, here there's, of course, there's on the edge it goes by 1 feet, and then 2, and then sometimes it's 3 or 4, and then here, of course, like um, 7 feet on these areas here, 7 feet. So uh, stick to the edges. I prefer, this is one of my favorite spots right here. Um, because it's got the sand and the grass flats, and this is called Turtle Point. Um, right here, Turtle Point, and there's good fishing spots all right here. Um, let me get it focused. Right here, you can catch redfish and trout. Actually, this map is pretty accurate. Normally, we always got the red shaded areas. That's good fishing spots. Up here is 1 to 2 feet. Uh, it's got scattered reefs on here. You can wade fish here if you want. Uh, I've caught a couple of fish over here. Right here in the corner, some black drum. And then over here, there's good wade fishing on the edge. And on this side, there's it's called Swan Lake right here. Excellent fishing on this side. This is called Grass Island uh, because it's got like mud and then grass and some shells. All over here is excellent fishing for wade fishing. And right here, um, it has same thing. You can find mud and grass on the edge, which is excellent fishing. Here also, uh, you can fish right here also. There's a salt lake here. Uh, here, there's 2 feet right here on the edge, about a foot and a half, 2 feet. It gets deeper as you go in. You know, on this area you need a boat, of course. Um, and then of course right here, uh, good fishing on the edge. And then if you want to use a boat, this area here that has a lot of breeze, so you gotta be careful. If you use a aluminum boat, it's preferred, but if you use a fiberglass, you gotta be careful. There's a bunch of reefs around here. Some of it's like 4 feet, some 7 feet. So make sure that the big picture. Let's see. Where you see the red highlights, that's preferably a good fishing area. But you can fish at the edge. You still catch fish. Over here is good. That's one of my favorite spots. Right there and right there. I used to park on the edge with some streets. I used to park on the edge, but I don't know how it is now. So you have to ask. There's some bait stands on this side, and there's some bait stands right there by the by the pier and the bridge. So that's it for Copano Bay, and on the next video I'll be showing you the other side of the Copano Bay. All right, guys. Hopefully you liked the video, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.